Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to find your CapCut project in Windows 11 so you can quickly locate and continue editing your work. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open CapCut on your Windows 11 PC. Step 2. Click the menu button in the top left corner of the CapCut window. This button gives you access to additional options and navigation controls within the software. Step 3. Click back to Homepage to return to the main dashboard of CapCut. The homepage displays your existing projects, templates, and editing options in one place. Step 4. Scroll through the project list or use the search bar to find your specific project. Scrolling lets you manually browse all saved edits, while the search bar helps you quickly locate a project by name. This is useful when you have many projects and need to save time. Step 5. Click on the project you want to open to load it into the editor. Once selected, CapCut will restore your timeline, clips, and edits exactly as you left them. This allows you to continue editing, reviewing, or exporting your video without starting over. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.